Hi guys, my name is Lyric. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So for this month of November, I want to introduce some new faces on here. I put out a thing on my Instagram asking for people if they want to collab with me. I'm only taking 5 people out of the amount that responded within a certain time frame. I had 5. I think I had 4 that responded, and 1 I will not be working with anymore. So for this one, I'll be working with Lucky Charm, and I'm looking down on our little my phone charging, oh gosh, on her little conversation. So her name is Lucky Charm here on YouTube. Thank you so much for collaborating with me, and I told everybody, I was like, yo, just got hard, just like the best, do you boo boo, come through auntie. And yes, I've been working with her. Thank you for working with me, my love. And I haven't seen her look yet, but I have faith. I know it's gonna look bomb. I know it's gonna look bomb. So yeah, so this is it for this little intro, you guys. Please enjoy the video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. I have not recorded in this room in a very long time, so yeah. But anyway, enjoy the video, and Lucky Charm, thank you so much, my love. Mwah. Guys, everything for her will be linked in the description bar below. Please go and check her video out, show her some love, comment on hers. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and do so. And yeah, and let's keep our minds open this November, you know. And I'm preparing for Vlogmas here on both channels. So I'll be vlogging every day on my vlog channel, but I'll be doing a look every single day for Christmas. Hopefully I can do this. So yeah. Alright, so for those of you who are coming over from Lucky Charm's channel, thank you very much for the support. And as I said you guys in the intro, please go ahead and show her some love and support on her video. This is the look. I am geeked, and I don't know if you guys recognize, but I did my makeup to match my turban, like purples and yellows and stuff. And I said this before, I'm using all Juvia's Place palettes, just in case you didn't hear on the last video, because I got rid of all of my palettes that I had, my personal palettes, and I got rid of my makeup artist kit. I'm in the process of rebuilding everything since the whole Jaclyn Hill fiasco with the rotten lipstick, and I got scared. I was like, oh my gosh, I wonder if I have some stuff that, you know, needs to be chucked out. And sure enough, I put on my MAC lipstick. I've had it for years, probably 7 years, or probably 6 or 7 years. And I put it on when I was pregnant one day, and the following day I had a cold sore. So I didn't make the correlation until while I was watching the whole rundown with the whole Jaclyn Hill thing. I'm like, oh my god, I have expired makeup. And I got rid of everything, even the containers I stored, the acrylic containers I stored my makeup in. I got hella paranoid, and I got rid of everything that I had that was old. I mean everything. So I'm starting from scratch, and that's why I keep on wearing the lip balms as well as my lip glosses or whatever. It's because I don't have any as yet, so I'm building my way back up. And I don't know if you guys are interested in hearing about that, even though I just told you, you know. I just wanted to explain myself, just in case somebody said, why is she using that on her lips, and so why is she using the same eyeshadow palette? Like, I don't got no more. You know what I'm saying? And I did make a post on Instagram a couple weeks ago, probably a month ago, where I posted some KK beauty stuff, and that's for my kit. And I don't mix things for my kit and for personal. I'm wiping off the brush in my sleep. Yeah, I don't mix things in my kit and my personal. I work, you know, and I have my stuff, and my kit has its stuff. I don't like to mix. So yeah. Alright, so everything that I'm doing is self-explanatory. I absolutely love this eyeshadow palette. This purple is nothing to frown at, honey. Like, this purple is doing the darn thing. This purple for president, governor, ministry leader, pastor, bishop, everything. Like that purple, I go on that bag of things. This is my Juvia's Place concealer in number 13. I have a number 11 in my house, number 13. And yeah, everything is self-explanatory. I really want to thank you guys for sticking with me. We're at 225,000. And these type of videos, you guys, where I'm like, you know, introducing new people onto my channel, they don't tend to get a lot of views, and I'm wanting them to get a lot of views to showcase the talents that I'll have passing through my channel for this month of November. You don't know this, but I already have like 3 pre-recorded videos for you guys. This video on the 8th, that's now on the 8th. I'm editing it today and everything, and this will take me probably 4 to 5 hours to edit, because after I edit it, I save it. After I save it, I handle break it. After I handle break it, I upload it, find the thumbnail, all that good stuff. So yeah, I'm just going to stop talking because at this point I'm rambling. And just please continue to enjoy the video, you guys. Oh, my nails were done by Blessed Hands on Instagram. Continue to enjoy the video, you guys. I really want to thank you for your support. You guys are just the bomb diggity, man. So yeah, talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. And thanks again, Lucky Charm, for actually working with me. Boo boo, thank you so much for working with me, for say you'd work, for say that you'd working with me, for reaching out to me. You know, thank you so very much. So this is it for this intro, this long intro. And I'll talk in the next video. Big up on the style. Yeah.
God bless. DJ. Jesus music. I'm here to give thanks. We learn to be conscious. From we have life, and we have Christ. You know we have everything. From you have life, you have everything. Tell them say you're over the answer. Life, you have everything. That has something for you get up and dance for. Christ, you have everything. Tell them say the Lord are the answer. Christ, yes you have everything. That has something for you get up and dance for. So you want no righteousness up in our heart, and pure love down in our heart, and mother say fi go down a river fi go wash off, and come back in the room pack up like in our heart. We give the Lord credit like when a show a start. Jesus music we a play our part. God a provide in a family when rice and flour short. In a drought him a make the show a start. We our past, we no break our fast. We a praise our boss and a bear our cross. Devil coulda never full up in our class. Fiction sweet like it dip in a sweet. And so as from you have life, you have everything. Tell them say you're over the answer. Life, you have everything. That has something for you get up and dance for. Christ, you have everything. Tell them say the Lord are the answer. Christ, yes you have everything. That has something for you get up and dance for. From my day everywhere me go, whether north, south, east and west, people a lose their mind. Anywhere me go, whether north, south, east and west, you are just war and crime. Whether in a north, south, east, nobody now talk about peace. I and I come for the clear card, the AJ I got mouthpiece. From you have life, you have everything. Tell them say you're over the answer. Life, you have everything. That has something for you get up and dance for. Christ, you have everything. Tell them say the Lord are the answer. Christ, yes you have everything. That has something for you get up and dance for. So you want no righteousness up in our heart, and pure love down in our heart, and mother say fi go down a river fi go wash off, and come back in the room pack up like in our heart. We give the Lord credit like when a show a start. Jesus music we a play our part. God a provide in a family when rice and flour short. In a drought him a make the show a start. We our past, we no break our fast. We a praise our boss and a bear our cross. Devil coulda never full up in our class. Fiction sweet like it dip in a sweet. And so as long you have life, you have everything. Tell them say you're over the answer. Life, you have everything. That has something for you get up and dance for. Christ, you have everything. Tell them say the Lord are the answer. Christ, yes you have everything. That has something for you get up and dance for. DJ, Jesus music. I'm sing it to you to live up. Tell us if you 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 live up. Tell them if you live up. Tell them if you live up. Tell them if you live up. Miss if you live up. Jesus music if you live up. your boy DJ. I mean, I say it's all about long suffering, no? You know what? Have faith and wait. Hear me now. Want me say Christmas come, but only once a year. But DJ I wait from the 25th. And you what? For me know say me have life. Me know say that me possess a gift. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. No matter what, to the most and me a stay true. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. No matter what, to the most and me a stay true. JPS lock off me night, and the boss go fire me, that can't be right. The landlord want fear rent by tonight. Me want food for bite, and me not even have money, can't afford for bite. God knows, so me just a stay strong. Police can't daddy gone up a station. No food, no in the house, baby a ball, and me can't take the separation. I work and say me a go try it, but me a feel the ex them a put up a fight. Bad minded just forget a over hype. Ya know sometime me feel like we just go soft, we broke a fight. I know say me just a hold on, even though me they have for more long. Me know say you dead the Lord and you don't gone, so me nah get vexed and I stand up a fool on. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. No matter what, to the most and me a stay true. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Even though the enemy a try stop me like breakthrough. Life hard and it no soft, but the Lord of mine rather than me staff. Weeping me know for the whole lot tonight, but tomorrow morning me know me a go laugh. And you are Lord, even though Lord you know I wanna bus, no me nah go feel shame to drive on a bus. And even if me dead spiritually, me a go wait, cause me a go rise like Lazarus. Till the man Jesus alone I man a trust. Me and the Lord go way back like rhinoceros. Me man a tell me if me want good, me knows have to run, and me really nah go make my mother ghost. So me just a wait, me want to look on every gate, and even the him garments I wanna toast. So me nah worry, no in a no hurry. Me nah go on like calm and a rush. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. No matter what, to the most and me a stay true. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Even though the enemy a try stop me like breakthrough. God bless. Hey boy DJ. Yeah, I made some scriptures. Bible. I'ma say Isaiah. Read and Isaiah. Yeah man. I have to make a joyful Isaiah. Hear me I say no. Lord I'm a shepherd, all of my friend them a be a lamb. We know this so be a God, we know be a lamb. We are like Abraham. No say when the Lord stay long, him a go make a way ram. If I never hear on, God wouldn't appear unto me like Moses. Bush burning like Samson, me determined to kill evil with my beer on. God a God from day one. I know man is an island unless them a key man. Make me put this in a layman term. If I never Jesus me, then be a layman. See man who care the children, them in a Canaan. Everybody feel up the Lord rain, man, him able for wipe all the stain off a Canaan. Him fall rain and make heaven and earth are the first thing me learn in a grade 1. Hey, me nah worry, I know me nah fret. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. Why him go fi joke, no me nah go forget. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. Tell them me nah worry, I know me nah fret. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. And you, the wages of sin that are debt. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. If I never Jacob be a club, me with a flask in a one party with a car. In my PS stub, AK submachine. God wash me off in the love machine. If you look, you see a base hood. Jesus dead pon the cross, waste blood. Fan him head and him palm and him waste blood. Vampire who a walk and a taste blood over. How I do away with paste blood. Can't do me nothing like Daniel in the den. And a prophet like Samuel. And even if me drive hard, me no crash like a hard drive. Like say me the in the Dell. If I never David, I would the Bible. You see me what day with, I would a AK with a banana clip. I play with like gorilla. Feel way big when me me a travel like Gulliver. Me wouldn't have no heart, no liver. Dirty Babylon with a freak out and go liver. Following me that make blood a run like Dungy. Never Malachi. My ties, me woulda have a buy. Shoes and clothes and a eye book, me swagger fly. But if me don't show me one thing, you see like how a criminal a rob a guy. So me rob the other night, Ananias and Sapphire. Rob up the offering and a lie me with a dirty like in the August tie. Me wouldn't want to give God a try. If you save and a try, save me no bother try. If I never Jesus, things with a sticky like beeswax. Me wouldn't read Matthew Mark, wouldn't read Acts. Now go a hell that 100 degrees max. Deal with the devil dread like Bob Marley's locks. Satan salt like him get a sea breeze box. Salt like me daughter Destiny snacks. Devil want me go mad and a freeze box. Funeral I keep so me get rid of these glocks. You want the Lord see me on say see Jobia. When nothing now go on me now go Wokobia. Me now come off of the road because me don't have no uranophobia. Hey, me now worry I know me now fret. Jesus Christ he never fail me yet. Why him do fi Job no me now go forget. Jesus Christ he never fail me yet. Tell them me now
can't check me now. Me not change and me not go evolve. On this axis I'll always revolve. Anything me I do me make sure God is involved. So me not fear worry, me problem we solve. Hey, coming like some brother brain a dissolve. Them have a simple problem and they can't resolve. Cause he coming like say them sick in a them head. Them a try the whole